Online decor stores promise stylish furniture, chic accessories, and affordable home upgrades, but not all of them deliver. Today, we're taking a close look at nivanu.com. Is it a legit home decor store or a fake shop you should avoid? Let's find out. So nivanu.com markets itself as a retailer of home decor, furnishings, and accessories with trendy products and low prices. The site lists everything from wall art to furniture pieces with bold sale banners and limited time offers meant to entice shoppers. Looks good, but as we know, marketing alone doesn't prove legitimacy. So let's break down what independent checks say. Nivanu's domain is very new, created recently, and uses WHOIS privacy protection. That means the owner's identity is hidden, which is common for high-risk websites. A new domain with hidden ownership raises caution flags. Website safety scans give nivanu.com a low trust score, labeling it as suspicious or high risk. Low trust scores typically indicate limited traffic, little online footprint, and potential concerns about legitimacy. Sites with strong reputations usually have established history and verifiable company details. Unlike reputable decor brands, Nivanu doesn't show up on review sites like Trustpilot, SiteJabber, Reddit, or consumer forums with verified customer feedback. No credible testimonials from real buyers or external platforms, only reviews on the store itself, which can be easily fabricated. All of this suggests it's safer to be skeptical before buying. Here are some common issues reported with similar unverified decor stores. Products don't match photos, long or missing deliveries, difficult returns and refunds, hidden charges or fees. You might get something, but often the quality, delivery, and support won't match the expectations. If you still want to try Nivanu, use a payment method with buyer protection like PayPal or a credit card so you can dispute charges if you don't receive them. Order only low-cost items first. Treat it as a test purchase. Be prepared for possible delays or quality surprises. Even then, expect that support and returns may be limited or stressful. So is Nivanu.com a real or fake online decor store? It's high risk and unverified. Based on trust scores, domain age, and lack of third-party reviews, Nivanu doesn't have the track record or transparency we'd like from a reliable decor retailer. If you care about quality, support, and a peace of mind, stick with established home decor stores that have strong reviews and visible customer experiences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.